Hey guys, it's Kim. My real name is Kevin. In case you were curious, thank you for joining me for another video. And if you're new, then welcome. I have a special guest. This is my friend Kayla.
Hi, everybody.
Fun fact, she is my tallest friend.
I am very tall. That's
so.
true.
If you could just turn your head to the side a little bit.
This way.
Yeah.
Oh.
You guys probably can't see it right now. I'll probably insert a clip of like a video of it actually showing her texture. Her hair is absolutely beautiful. Super dense. As you guys look, this right here is my whole head ponytail.
Please.
I'm so serious. And it's long, you know, it'll bounce back. Hold on, y'all. Look at the shrinkage.
It's ridiculous.
Y'all see that?
Oh.
It's giving, is that bra strap?
I don't know.
Armpit. I think
Is
armpit.
it? Where is that at?
Where
yeah,
is
that's armpit.
Oh,
Right
armpit
there.
length hair. And you see how it just bounced back up? What piece did I even pull?
Girl, who knows? Who knows? I don't.
So we learned today that Kayla has high porosity hair, right? That's what we said?
I
Or was
think,
it low
yes.
porosity?
No? Medium?
Medium, you're right.
Medium.
Medium porosity. Her hair kind of just like it's different sections just have different reactions to products. So
Absolutely.
the brand we are using today is black owned. It is Luster's Pink. I just recently found out that they were black owned. I don't know. I guess I just assume like older brands are just white owned, but they're not. It's a black family that still runs it to this day.
Oh, we love that.
Yeah. So we have, what product is this? We have the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion with avocado oil, shea butter, and plant protein.
Oh. Oh, you gotta do like how they be doing with
I know,
your-
I had to. No, there you go. There the YouTube hands.
Oh, I've been watching.
Okay, and then we have the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel with olive oil, argan oil, and pathanol. And it's for style.
Don't ask me.
Go ahead,
I
get the
don't know what
YouTube
that
hand
is.
in there.
Fabulous. Oh, there it is.
You guys, her hair is reacting so well to these products. Have you used either of these before?
Nope, just got in the curl box.
Yeah, she gets curl boxes. I don't get curl boxes because I never got on the list, but
You gotta be quick to get on that list.
She does. So, what else? Is there anything else? Oh, her hair is color treated multiple
Black.
times.
Multiple.
It was red that she dyed it black. We liked the red, but you know she didn't. It's her head.
I
So
didn't like the red.
she has control over it. And she doesn't really wear her natural hair out. If she does, it's usually in a top knot bun. So she decided
It's not the best.
she wanted to try wash and go today, and it is giving. I can't wait to see, wait till you guys see the finished product. It's about to be bomb.
Ooh,
I can't wait.
love it.
But we are about to do the front section right here so you guys can see up close how her hair defines and reacts to the products. And then we will show you the finished products. Are you excited?
I'm excited. It smells good.
It does. This gel smells really good. Usually gels smell like gel, and this doesn't.
I love that. Right. Giving me fruity. I like that.
I don't know. It says olive oil, but olive oil doesn't smell fruity.
Right. I'm always
I don't know
smell.
what they done put in there. I didn't read the
Slick.
ingredients.
That's all right. I see alcohol free, so that works well enough for me. That's fine.
Oh, jeez.
There we go.
So this is the texture. Oh.
Mm.
It's really creamy, not so thick as you guys see. It almost fell out of my hand, but it's a nice consistency.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's moisturizing too.
I need that.
I
need that.
She doesn't. Like I said, top knot is the only time her hair is out.
Mm-hmm.
And even with that, she doesn't moisturize it. I just taught her about pre-pooing, so hopefully she's gonna start putting that into her wash day routines.
I'll try.
So you know you don't have a ton of hair in the sink or the shower.
Gotta remind me.
Every time you wash it.
I'll forget.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at the length.
Look at the moisture.
Look, you see that? Shiny. Wow.
Hey. It's shiny and moisture avocado. Shea butter. You can put that in your hair.
You didn't know you put shea butter in your hair?
Yes, I knew that.
Yeah, you did. Why are you lying to my viewers? To my friends.
Absolutely do that.
You guys see that?
Now.
I just did a wash and go and it didn't go like this.
That's okay. You know why? Because yours went better. Because you're a professional.
Stop.
Professional.
I have very few like intense hype men. She is one of them.
You know, I try. You know, it's not every day you come across a professional that also happens to be an influencer.
Wow.
You know, and just the best.
Wow.
It's crazy. It's literally crazy. Thanks for blessing your viewers.
Thank you for joining this.
Oh, of course. Of course. I had to. You know, you're going to put me on TV. I want to get on TV.
Okay, guys, so this masterpiece right here is Kayla's wet results.
We love that.
Look,
oh,
look
wow.
at the shine.
Oh, wow. Who would have thought?
I knew the way that your hair was wet when you, like, I came over, I could tell it was gonna look like this.
Who would have thought? It's giving. It's giving. It's giving. I feel wonderful.
And if you don't like the shrinkage, once it dries, you know, you can pick it a little bit.
Oh,
just
yes,
don't
absolutely.
just don't pick the ends.
Absolutely, I won't do
This side's a little bit longer because I did this side last. But her hair is drying up pretty nicely. I feel like there's gonna be a little bit of a crunch, so her hair will last before she puts it in that top knot bun or puts a wig on top.
Yes. I'm getting soft locks Friday.
Huh?
Saturday.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
So it'll last me to Saturday.
All you literally have to do is just like whatever is giving you problems, just spray it and do like this. And if that doesn't work, just add like a little bit of gel and then go like this. Boom.
Whoop. There it is.
Luster's pink.
Okay, she did it. She's that girl.
Did exactly what I wanted her to do.
She's that it girl. She came. She showed up. She did what she had to do. She gave us a performance.
She did.
Super
honestly.
Bowl.
Hello.
Halftime.
This gel? Actually, this lotion right here, we found out is like a styler too. And honestly, she really could have just used this if she wanted like a fluffier wash and go. But I feel like the crunch is gonna come from here and it's gonna make it last a little bit longer. And it gave it a little extra shine.
Beautiful.
Both products are pretty moisturizing. Her hair feels great.
Beautimous.
But yeah, like I said, we will be back probably after we eat. Hungry. Hungry.
Very.
Any last
Very
words
hungry.
with your wet results?
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Professional.
Thank you for giving me some content.
Oh, of course.
Shake
You
it
know,
up a
just
little
bring
bit.
me back. You know, I'm here.
Next time we're gonna do a braid out. We'll
Just
see how that
here.
goes.
It's fine with me.
But yeah, we will be back.